channel. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. We're getting a Supra. Today just does not feel real, you guys. Now, I bought the car about a week ago, sight unseen, never drove it, never even looked at it, just saw dozens of photos of it, and we wired him a whole bunch of money to this guy that we'd never met. Now, to make matters just a little bit worse, the car was tuned on 93 octane from Florida. I live in Arizona. Unlike our 97 GSX that runs on race gas C16, I can only run 91 octane on this car, meaning we had to get the car retuned. We actually got to go pick up the Supra straight off the freaking dyno. The Supra has a gutted downpipe and a Boost Logic exhaust system. This thing is gonna be so loud and so crazy. Rest in peace to the neighbors. Sorry guys, you thought my GSX was bad. Wait till you hear the Supra. One of these cars are gonna be going outside. I just don't know which one it is. Maybe the Supra can stay. Mitsubishi gang, come on. Obviously we don't have the Supra yet, so right now the GSX is 100% staying in here. Put it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Enough talking. We gotta drive about 3.5 hours, I want to say, that way. Welcome to Dyno Comp Tune in Arizona, Scottsdale. I'm looking at the car right now, guys. We're about to do a startup, and it's gonna sound really, really nice. This is so crazy. You guys ready? Oh my God. It's so crazy, you guys. Oh my God. I want you guys to help me welcome our 2020 A90 Toyota Supra.
On the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these niggas wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. They have a day off in like 80 days. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I'll get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want that check, but can you make it stretch?
I hope that B-roll was justice, you guys, because oh my God, this thing is just stupid. It's so awesome. Oh my sweet Jesus. Now the best thing about this vehicle, you guys, it is extremely modified. We're talking 502 horsepower turbocharger from a pure 800. It's lowered. It looks freaking amazing. Honestly, this is like the perfect spec Supra in my opinion. And that Boost Logic exhaust system, oh man, we're gonna get in so much trouble with this thing. This exhaust system is truly amazing, you guys, but those welds, yeah, definitely don't look like my welds. Like I said, you guys, this car has tons of modifications on it, which honestly, this is exactly how I was gonna modify a Supra, but I would have changed this to like carbon fiber, but then again, I mean, I'm gonna scrape and hit everything down here. Something that's kind of hit or miss are these fenders. They kind of go inwards. Now, honestly, rock chips, yeah, that's gonna be a bad thing. If you guys are wondering why we bought a Supra, it just kind of came out of nowhere. You know, we've been looking at these cars for about a couple months, and I'll be honest with you, when these cars first came out back in 2020, I thought they were gross. I did not like them. I mean, it's a straight up BMW, which, let's face it, it is. It's a BMW. I'm a 2JZ guy, Toyota, 2JZ, big turbo, come on, let's go. And they stuck a BMW motor in it and made it a BMW. So, I mean, it is what it is. I can honestly say, you guys, the motor, that B58, is so freaking amazing and it sounds ridiculous. Would I have preferred the Toyota Supra to have a 2J? Obviously, or, you know, maybe like a 4G63 swap. Okay, I'm done. Something about this angle, you guys, you can't not get this angle wrong. I mean, just look at how beautiful this thing is. Those curves. We like thick hips, boys. So this is definitely something kind of like the Evo. It has thick hips. You can see the girth on this bad boy. Beautiful. So there's a lot of reasons why we actually purchased this car, and honestly, you guys, I'm going to be making some content about this car. Obviously, the GSX, DSM, Mitsubishi, we're always going to be on the channel, but this is going to be something that I'm going to be talking about, and honestly, I hope you guys follow along for the next couple videos, because I'm going to go over how much the car was, how you finance it, and pretty much how you go from a 2G DSM to a 2020 Toyota Supra. Yeah. As you guys know, I'm a huge DSM boy, but honestly, you guys, one of my dream cars in life is a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, black on black. I mean, it's a dream car of mine, and I can kind of describe this car as a tier car. And honestly, if you guys subscribe, I'll go ahead and make some videos, and I'll explain to you how this is a tier car and how you can get to that level of car financing and exotic cars. Coming from a guy with a 2G DSM, you guys shouldn't be listening to me. Come on. Now, we got a beautiful stretch of road right here, you guys. And, well, I mean, it just fits justice to have a BMW key. Let's hop in the BMW. Wait. We got to do a startup. You guys got to hear the startup. Hold on. I forgot the tripod, but I got to rock. Thing. Neutral. Let's go to neutral. Okay, neutral. We're neutral. Rev it. Come on. Oh. All right. I guess we just got to do a pull. This thing puts out 502 horsepower. It's tuned on ECU Tech or ECU Tech, however the heck you guys say it. And well, she gets up and goes. And it has 3 sets of tuning, which is operated by this little switch here. We're in tune 1. We're gonna go ahead and put in tune 3, which is its highest horsepower, which is 502. Sweet Jesus, what is that? Tune 6. I don't know what that is. We're not pushing that button. We're gonna go to tune 3, you guys. Now, is it faster than the GSX? We're gonna have to find out later. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, buddy. Yes. Woo. Oh my god. That was good stuff. Honestly, you guys, the Toyota Supra A90 and 2021s and 2022s and now the 23s, which comes manual, which is freaking amazing. You know, this is the world's most controversial car. Hands down, you either love it or you extremely hate it. Now, like I said before, when these cars came out, I hated them. I didn't like them because it didn't have the notorious 2JZ in it, and I was a legitimate car enthusiast, and I thought by putting a BMW motor in a Toyota was one of the worst things that could have done. But let me tell you this, the BMW motor screams. Downshifts. I don't know if you guys could hear the downshifting, but this is honestly one of the funnest cars. It really is, guys. This car is so much fun. Honestly, we're gonna get in trouble with this thing. We are. We're gonna get in so much trouble with this thing. Also, we got some carbon fiber, dude. Now, is the pop and bang a little too immature? Oh, come on, guys. Of course it is, but that's what we like. Popcorn. Also, by the way, you guys, so that B-roll that you just saw, That was literally my first time doing a cinematic B-roll, and hopefully I did an okay job. Please put it down in the comments. What could I have done better? What should have I done? I've never done a B-roll, so that was like my first time, and you guys are welcome to laugh at it, do all that good stuff, because you know it was my first time. I'm not a professional. I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. Please tell me that you guys hear those turbos. Yes. Oh, the spool up is ridiculous with that inline 6. It is a 3.0 inline 6-cylinder, you guys. There's something about this car, guys, just everywhere you park it, it makes what's behind it so much better. Before I owned this car, guys, the newest thing I ever owned was a 2008 Chevy Duramax with 120,000 miles. Now, this is the newest thing I've ever bought in my whole life. It actually has about 15,000 miles. It's a 2020. This is by far one of the coolest things that I've ever purchased. There's always going to be DSM stuff, so don't worry, but the GSX versus the Supra, that's going to be a pretty good race. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Hopefully I can make some good content with you guys, and hopefully I can work on my B-roll skills just a little bit more, because this is definitely a car with so many curves and so many angles that it's impossible to do this car injustice. More carbon fiber. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just like that, I'll catch you in the next one. We'll see you later. Bye. Is that a Supra? Wait. Come on now, that's a beautiful sight, you guys. Maybe? Yeah?